Swainson'S Spurfowl or Swainson'S Francolin, PTERNISTIS swainsonii, is a species of bird in the family Phasianidae which is native to southern Africa. In the Shona language in Zimbabwe, this bird is called the chikwari or horwe. Swainson'S Spurfowl was named after William Swainson, an English ornithologist. It is found in grasslands and woodlands of Angola, Botswana, Lesotho, Malawi, Mozambique, Namibia, South Africa, Eswatini, Zambia, and Zimbabwe. Swainson'S Spurfowl, also known as Swainson'S Francolin, is a large brown ground-dwelling bird native to southern Africa. It features a bare red face, a red throat, dark legs and streaked grey-brown plumage. Swainson'S Spurfowl is a chicken-sized bird. It is special for its bold behavior, loud screeching dawn and dusk calls, bare red face and throat, and ability to thrive near humans and farmlands. These birds live in open savannas, grasslands and agricultural fields. It has a plump body measuring 28 to 34 centimeters long. Males have sharp leg spurs. Females are browner with less bright facial skin. The calls is loud, screeching creet-creet sounds made from open branches or termite mounds at dawn and dusk. It forages on the ground for seeds, fallen fruits, bulbs and insects. The IUCN Red List classifies the Swainson'S Spurfowl, also known as Swainson'S Francolin, as least concern.